Welcome back to Decorating with Kelly. Today's video has a little bit of everything for your Easter holiday decor, including easy steps to make an Easter vignette, a DIY centerpiece, and some of my favorite dupes and looks for less to help personalize your decor. My inspiration primarily comes from Anthropologie, and I've also included a few dupes from Sonoma and Pottery Barn. Let's start with a spring and Easter vignette that you can use as inspiration for your entryway, Easter table centerpiece, or any place that you want to decorate. The foundation of the display is a triangle of white, which provides the perfect backdrop for the evolving color schemes that I will be sharing with you. I'm starting with my Capo di Monte Daisy Topiary lamp that I found at my favorite local thrift shop. Floral applique lamps and vases are both beautiful and classic. Plus, they are currently trending, so it's easy to find both current and vintage options. Next is the vessel of cherry blossoms. While I prefer fresh flowers when decorating, a good quality faux floral not only lasts the season, but for years to come. These are from A Floral, and even my garden-savvy friends thought that they were the real thing. And finally, my vintage Fenton milk glass two-tiered cake stand. This was a gift that my in-laws received when they got married, and my mother-in-law later gifted it to me for one of my birthdays. This piece also creates the perfect triangle backdrop on its own, which is ideal for your Easter table centerpiece. You can look for similar ones on Etsy and Facebook Marketplace. As you can see, I've started adding the color yellow. The Rainy Day Duck Felt Critter, Yellow Floral Iron Bunch, and Printed Archival Tray are all new from Anthropologie this year, and my primary inspiration pieces. They instantly add a touch of color and whimsy to the springtime story that I am telling. The beauty is that they all work for an Easter vignette while being able to last all spring. The following are examples of other pieces that I have included in the various looks that you will see. A hummingbird nest that we found in our garden, classy baby votive holders. These are my go-to for decor. I have them in a number of colors and use them for parties and rotate them throughout the seasons. Various vintage glassware and ceramics. The Depression glass plates were my grandmother's, and it goes to show you that you don't need a full set of anything to be able to use and enjoy them. Even a single plate can be used as a backdrop for your other seasonal treasures, creating a truly personal vignette. While I do have some lovely vintage pieces that I have thrifted, I find much more joy in displaying pieces that I have inherited. And later in the video, I'll share some images and info on some plates that are perfect for spring. For this next project, I am using Anthropologie's Concordville Spring Picket Fence Trough as inspiration. While it is currently on sale, it's still a pricey investment for the trough itself, and that doesn't include any of the adorable extras. This is a project that I created for my brother's family when I was visiting them last month. All of the foundation pieces were found at their local dollar store, including the little wooden planks, white graph paint, florist foam, along with a faux grass table runner and some flowers. You can also fashion your own picket fence with craft sticks. I recommend getting ones that are already painted white and use a hot glue gun to glue them together. You can find white craft sticks at both Michael's and Amazon. I will have links in the description box for you. Once you have your structure put together, place the florist foam inside and then add your moss. I love using reindeer moss for projects like this as it has great lasting power. Now add small flowers, bees, butterflies, a nest for little Easter eggs, etc. Use whatever makes you happy. And for the finishing touches, add some Easter eggs and your favorite springtime creatures. We found these bottle brush bunnies and hedgehogs at Michael's. As I have shown in recent videos, Sonoma has some beautiful place settings and tabletop decor that are perfect for Easter. While these treasures may not be in your budget, they do provide great inspiration. If you're looking for budget-friendly options, then you should check out TJ Maxx and HomeGoods. I have included some images from the stores along with some specific examples that you can order online, and I will include links in the description box. If you're like me and love vintage decor and tableware, then definitely take a look at Etsy and Facebook Marketplace. I recommend using the following keywords when you're searching. Milk glass. I am currently loving the pink, blue, and green options. Opalescent glass and hobnail. I hope that you not only enjoyed the video, but that you found some inspiration that you plan on using this spring. Let me know if you do any seasonal decorating and what your favorite elements are from this video. As always, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll catch you again next week.